Two top security brands, trusted by millions. But in 2025, which one really delivers? On the left, McAfee, security for every device, everywhere. On the right, ESET, advanced protection with minimal impact. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So here's a mind map of everything we'll be comparing today. Price and plans, malware and web protection, features, device and platform support, customer support, and of course, performance impact. Ready? Let's go category by category. Kicking off with price and plans, because let's be real, nobody wants to overpay for protection. So McAfee actually starts out cheaper at around $39.99 per year. Plus, you can throw like 5 or even 10 devices on a single plan. Pretty sweet if you've got a family or lots of gadgets. But heads up, no totally free option here. Now, ESET does offer a free tier. That's impressive, right? And sometimes they have discounts that are honestly close to half off. But their premium plans start at $49.99. And a lot only cover one device. Multi-device households won't love that. So overall, McAfee just feels like the better deal if you want to protect lots of stuff. Next, malware and web protection. Honestly, both of these are top tier. McAfee's real-time protection is comprehensive, and its web protection is pretty strong. But, and this is kind of annoying, they sometimes get a little too paranoid and you might get some false alarms. ESET, on the other hand, is like laser focused. Scans are fast, and their false positive rate is super low. Only catch is their web filtering is a bit less aggressive than McAfee. But overall, it's a tie here because both are rock solid. It just depends if you want ultra cautious or more chill notifications.
Features time.
McAfee, oh man, they pack in a ton. You get file shredding, a VPN, password management, and even identity theft protection. Basically a mini security suite. Some of the cool stuff, though, does get locked behind pricier plans. ESET's got some really nice advanced anti-theft tricks, and people obsessed with performance will love the gamer mode. They do solid encryption, too, but the base packages don't include a VPN, and overall, there just aren't as many bonus features. If you like having all the bells and whistles, McAfee pretty much runs away with this one. Oh, and did you know? ESET's anti-theft tools are wild. If someone nabs your laptop, it can literally snap a webcam photo of the thief. How James Bond is that? On to device and platform support. McAfee is kind of a lifesaver here. Whether you have Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, whatever, they've got you covered, and you can usually mix and match devices under one license. Super flexible. ESET does support all the major platforms too, but most of their plans only cover one device by default, which kind of stings if you're juggling lots of tech. So if you want to cover your laptop, your phone, your tablet, your fridge, McAfee wins this round. Let's talk customer support. McAfee actually gives you 24/7 support, which is honestly a relief if you ever get hit with that late-night malware panic. Their response times? Super fast. ESET, they've got a very detailed knowledge base and helpful articles, but live support is a bit harder to get hold of. So if you want a real person on the line, yeah, McAfee takes it. All right, but what about performance impact? Because yeah, antivirus that hogs your PC is the worst. McAfee's definitely improved lately, so it's not as sluggish as it once was, but you might notice things slow down during big scans. ESET though? Oh, and here's something cool. It's super light. Barely sips your resources. And gamer mode means your gaming or streaming is never interrupted. If performance is your top thing, ESET has the edge. So, looking at the full roundup, there's a few categories where these two go toe-to-toe, but you'll see McAfee generally dominates in value, features, multi-device options, and support, while ESET is the king of lightweight performance and sneaky anti-theft features. If you're sitting there with a bunch of devices and want extras like VPNs or identity protection, McAfee is where it's at. But if you want something feather light and love the idea of catching a thief red-handed, ESET is super compelling. Personally, for a mix of real-world protection and extra goodies, McAfee just barely takes the win for most people. If you found this showdown helpful, stick around for more security tips and tricks. Stay protected, and don't forget to bookmark for our next comparison.